Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Trello's time tracking power-up. It's an amazing tool for managing your time and tasks more efficiently, and we'll break it down for you in easy steps. First up, you'll need to enable the time tracking power-up. On your Trello board, click on Show Menu, then Power-Ups. Search for Time Tracking and click Add. This step is important because it activates the feature we will be using. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the fun part. On any card, click the Start Timer button in the Power Up section. This begins tracking the time spent on that particular task. We do this to accurately monitor how long tasks are taking, helping us to better manage our workload. When you're done with the task, click Stop Timer. Your recorded time will be logged on the card. This helps us because it gives a clear view of the actual time consumed for each task, which is valuable for future planning and productivity assessments. Now, what if you forget to stop the timer? Well, Trello's got you covered. If there's no activity for a certain period, the timer will automatically stop, preventing skewed time records. This is what's happening behind the scenes to ensure accuracy in your time tracking. Lastly, you can view your log time in the time tracking report. Just click on Show Menu, then Time Tracking. Here, you'll see a breakdown of time spent per task, per user. This gives you a digestible overview of your team's productivity and can inform future task allocation. And that's it. You've now learned how to use Trello's time tracking power-up. It's a straightforward, yet powerful tool for optimizing your time management. So go ahead, give it a try, and let us know how it works for you. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.